What I'm going to do is build another tool wall, and this will be a small one. It'll fit right over here, and that'll be for my Forstner bits and some other small tools. And then I'll show you how I make the tool holders. I'll just use my dowel stop gauge, and I'll set it. So that's how wide I need to make it. Now I don't have a piece of Baltic birch thick enough, so what I'm going to do is use a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and then put a thin sheet of Baltic birch on top. Now I'm putting the backboard over here, and I have to make a cutout for my light switch. What I'm going to use to make the holders is just a piece of 2x4. And I'll cut out some pieces and make sure I don't get any knots in the pieces. I'll cut out 3 blocks with the jigsaw and then clean them up on the table saw. Now I have a few blocks cut out, and this one's a little bit shorter because what I want to do is glue 2 strips of Brazilian cherry just to add a little contrast to the piece. While that's drying, I'll prepare these for drilling. Now I have all the blocks drilled out for the bits, and what I'm going to do is lay them down flat and make marks for the dowels. These things will be hanging on the dowels. So I make this mark and then place a dowel there, mark that, and then I'll drill it out. And I'll do that for each one. So I just have to put 1 or 2 screws in there to hold that. And now I can put in my dowels. So I've tested the dowels and they hold pretty good without any glue. There's good support, so I might just leave them like that. But if there's ever a problem, I can just add a little bit of glue. There we go. Now if I ever work on my other tool bench, I can easily take any of these off and they sit nice and flat on any other workbench that I'm using. So, and anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.